So I was actually looking at free models from KiloCode, right? So they seem to have new updated free models here. Gemma seems to be free for like a month so far. Two new models, one being Poolside, second being inclusionAI, is added into KiloCode, right? So I found like two of their models, 2.6-1T and Flash, right? So looking at their background, I checked into Inclusion AI's web. Right. So basically, when I looked into their website, I noticed that they are a Singapore-based group named Ant Group, and they happen to have multiple models. So Ling being one of the model featured on KiloCode, right? And if you check other models like Ring, then there is M2 Reasoning, Ming, and also the light and flash version of each of those models, right? So that part is included, and you will notice that some of the providers are offering respective models like these, right? So for example, Link is available in like 1T, and another being the flash version, which you can even check with here. So Link 2.6 flash that you can find in model scope. So if you expand on that, you will notice the flash, then int4, then also fp8, right? So depending on different sizes like link light, link plus, and their parameters, the models will differ here, right? So to use this, you can actually go into your VS Code. Then in KiloCode, you have to click on the model selector option, then select the inclusion AI link, right? And here I already opened up one of the project folder, right? So what I want to do is I want to find out, let's see, if I ask this particular model to do a UI mockup, let's see, create a UI review for this project and suggest the changes to be made to the project, right? So if I go for this particular prompt, I have to take that as either planning mode or ask mode. So I will go with the ask mode. If you want, you can also use plan mode, right? In ask, you can get the explanation without making changes. So I will go with this, and you can see this being free, your first output is being shown as that it has gone through the folder directory. So it is trying to list all the files, then it will read one by one. You can see it is reading through whole project. You can see all the folders are now detected. It will search for things like readme file and so on and so forth. Now once the suggestions arrive, you will get the reply like this, and it will actually tell you what to start with and what sort of changes your UI requires, right? So here you can see it will tell you what is going right and also what is going wrong, like what to fix and how much it would take, etc., right? So this model can be decent for coding as well as giving you code review and make certain file changes. So if you are looking at this model from the coding context, I think this is pretty much decent, though you have to compare the output with other premium models if you have access. But if free model is what you are after and decide to use this particular model for coding review and testing related operations, then I think Ling-2.6-1T from KiloCode is pretty much decent to work with.